Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Marathon, Ontario, located on the north shore of Lake Superior, surrounded by forests, lakes, and rocky cliffs. Marathon was founded in the 1940s as a gold mining town, but it really started to grow when a pulp and paper mill was built here. The town was named after Marathon Paper Mills of Canada, a company that established a pulp mill in the town in the 1940s. Today, the town is known for its outdoor adventures, from hiking the scenic trails of Pukasqua National Park to fishing in the nearby rivers and lakes. You can't miss Pebble Beach, a local favorite where smooth, colorful stones cover the shoreline for as far as you can see. On a clear day, the views of Lake Superior from the lookout points are absolutely breathtaking. Just west of Marathon, you'll find Mink Creek Falls, a quiet waterfall tucked away in the forest that's perfect for a peaceful break or a photo stop. Whether you're here to explore the trails, learn about its mining past, or just enjoy the quiet charm of a northern town, Marathon has something to offer. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Marathon, Ontario. Thanks for watching!